Good morning students, welcome to my class. So in class 1B maths, we were doing lesson 4 numbers up to 20. Okay, so we have already done page number till page number 46 we have done. Today we shall proceed showing numbers on the abacus, okay? So my dear students, you see here what is an abacus? An abacus is a counting device. I think many of you know abacus, okay, because you have that device at home, okay. So an abacus is a counting device. It consists of rods and beads. Rods are there and beads are there. Alright, the numbers can be represented by beads on the rods. So with the beads you represent the numbers, on the rods are there, okay, and beads, with the beads what you do, you represent the numbers on the rods. Alright, okay. So on the ones rod you see, ones rod will be represented as 0 and the tens rod will be represented as T, okay. That is 0 means it will be ones. I will show you on the board. Each bead represents 1. So ones rod, each bead will be represented as 1, okay. And on the tens rod T, each bead will be representing 10. Alright. So the rods on the abacus are called spikes. What are the rods on the abacus called? They are called spikes. You have to learn this. What is an abacus? An abacus is a counting device, okay. What are the rods on the abacus called? The rods on the abacus are called spikes, okay. This is page number 47. You can go through this page, okay. So let us represent numbers from 1 to 20 on the abacus. You have to draw this in your maths copies. Alright, so let us represent numbers from 1 to 20 on the abacus. Let us start. You see here, first of all you see I will be doing here. Okay, so you see I will be drawing two rods here, you see, one and next one. So first rod or first spike I will write here ones, and this one I will write down tens. Okay, so now it is clear to you, this is ones and this is tens. So if I suppose I have to write down 1, okay, I have to show on the abacus 1. So in the place of ones only I am going to draw one bead. Alright, here in this place I am going to draw one bead. This is bead and these are the rods or spikes, because the rods of abacus are called spikes. So these two are the spikes. This is 1, this is tens. So I am representing one, only one bead. Okay, this is 1. Alright, next number you see. Okay, you see here. You draw properly with the help of scale, okay. I am drawing freehand. Alright, so ones and tens right down here. So we are going to show 2. So draw 2 beads. 1, 2. So in this way you see we are not doing anything in the tens, because only 1 we are showing here, 2 ones we are showing here. Alright, next number is 3, okay. 3. So let us do here. Okay, so 3 we will show. Okay, so ones and tens. So 3 we will show. How will we show? 1, 2, 3. 3 beads we are going to show. Okay, this is 3. Alright, next number 4. Alright, again you write down here ones and tens. Okay, so 4 you will show through 4 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4 beads. You see here? So 4. Okay, we are showing 4 on the abacus. We are representing on the abacus. Okay, 5. So 5 you show here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so you see here I am representing, I have represented till 5. Okay, 1 beat, 2 beats, 3 beats, 4 beats, 5 beats. So I have shown on the abacus. Okay, now from 6 to 10 we will be doing. Okay, so now you see from 6 we will be doing drawing on the abacus the beads. Okay, on the spikes we will do. Let us write down one sentence. So here I will be showing 6. So you draw 6 beads here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we are representing 6 on the abacus. Alright. Now this here 7. Again you write down here one sentence. Okay. So 7 we will be showing here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright. You see you can count also once you can count. Okay. 7 beads we are showing on the abacus. Next one you see we will be representing 8 on the abacus. Okay. So let us write down here once and one sentence. Okay. So 8. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 on the abacus we have represented. You see 8 beads I have drawn on the one spike. Okay. In the place of ones I have drawn 8 beads. Alright. Next number will be 9. Okay. Write down here ones and tens. Alright. 9 beads we have to draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright. 9 beads we have drawn in the ones place. Now 10. Okay. We are going to this one. We are going to draw 10 beads. Now where we are going to draw 10 beads, that is very important. We are going to draw in the place of 10th spike, 10th rod. Only one bead we are going to draw. Why? One bead we are going to draw in the 10th place. You see which is the 10th place? This rod or the second spike is the 10th place. Okay. So because one bead will represent 10. Remember, one bead will represent 10 ones. 10 ones means 110. Keep in mind, 10 ones means 110. So this is the place of 10. Okay. So one bead will represent 10. Alright. So we have drawn from 6 to 10 on the abacus. We have drawn. Okay. We have represented from 1 to 10 on the abacus. Alright. Now you see from 11 to 15 we will be drawing on the abacus. Okay. So 11 you see. Okay. So 11 how will we represent on the abacus? You see here ones and tens. Okay. So you see in 11 we have 1 10 and 1 ones, isn't it? 11 means what? 1 10 and 1 ones. So you see here on the ones spike you draw 1 ones and on the tens spike you draw 1 10. Okay. That means you see 1 10 10 plus 1 equal to 11. Alright. Once again I am explaining, students. Please see. See, we will be drawing 11 on the abacus. So 11 means 1 10 and 1 1. Okay. So on the ones spike you draw 1 bead, that is 1 1, and on the tens spike you draw 1 bead. That means 1 bead means it represents 1 10. It represents 10. Okay. 1 bead represents 10. So 10 and 1 will make 11. Okay. Next one you see 12. So this how we are going to represent? One sentence we will be writing here. So you see 2 ones. Okay. 2 ones. 12 means 1 10 and 2 ones. So 2 ones and 1 10. Okay. 1 10 means 10. Okay. Keep in mind this one. Okay. Next one you see 13. How we are going to represent on the abacus? You see. So 110 means 110 and 3 ones. So you draw here 3 ones you draw and 110 you draw here. Alright. 110 you draw. Okay, one bead you draw in the tens spike. Alright, you see here. Next one you see 14. Alright, ones and tens. Alright, so 1 10 and 4 ones makes 14. So draw here 4 beads you draw here. Please draw 4 beads, and in place of tens you draw only 1 bead. Alright, so 1 10 and 4 ones make 14. Alright, next one you see 15. Ones and tens. So 1 10 and 5 ones. So 5 beads you draw in the one spike. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5, and in place of 10 spike you draw 1 bead. So this means 15. You see here 11 12 13 14 15 we have represented on the abacus. Okay, now you see children, from 16 we are going to represent on the abacus. Okay, so you see here 16 we are going to represent. Write down here ones and tens. So 16 means 1 10 and 6 ones. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So in place of ones you draw 6 beads, and in place of tens you draw only 1 bead. Alright, 1 tens and 6 ones. Next one is 17. Okay, ones and tens. Alright, so 17 means 1 10 and 7 ones. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Alright, and 1 10, you see I have drawn in the ones place I have drawn 7 beads, and in place of tens I have drawn 1 bead. That means 1 10 and 7 ones. Next one is 18. Okay, so ones and tens. Alright, so 18 means 1 10 and 8 ones. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, and in place of tens we are going to draw 1 bead. So 1 tens and 8 ones equal to 18. Next one 19. Alright, again you write down here ones and tens. Alright, so 1 10 and 9 ones. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 beads we have drawn. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 beads in the place of ones, and 1 bead in the place of tens. 1 10 and 9 ones equal to 19. Now 20. 20 means what? 20 means 20 means 2 tens, isn't it? 20 means 2 tens. So in the place of ones we are not going to draw anything. So in place of tens we are going to draw only 2 beads. Alright, this is 20. So we have done from numbers 1 to 20 we have represented on the abacus. So please see, we have represented on the abacus. Alright students, so from 1 to 20 you have to draw in your copies. You have to represent on the abacus from numbers 1 to 20 you have to represent. Okay, next page you see 48. Write the number represented by the beads on the abacus. You see the beads and you represent the number. Like see number 1, in the place of ones we have 3 beads, and in the place of tens we have 1 bead. That means 1 10 and 3 ones. So it will be 13. So this one you do it in the book itself. Okay, page 48 you please do it in the book itself. Alright. Okay. Then page number 49 and 50 we are going to do in our next class. Alright. So till 48 you do. Okay, you draw from number 1 to 20. You draw in your copies. Okay, use a scale. When you draw the spikes, that means when you draw the rods of abacus, please use scale or ruler. Alright. Okay students, thank you. Please do it in your maths copies. Okay, thank you.